Hi there. Where we are looking now is the moon. It's really amazing. And I'm waiting to see objects crossing in front of the moon. There are several objects that has been crossed the moon, but seems to be birds. But some others are not. So I'm going to review very careful my recording and see what is a UFO and what are the birds. I hope that this video that I am recording, you like it. Many objects are crossing the moon. Let's see what's happened in these minutes. This recording is using the new Nikon Coolpix camera, which is a state-of-the-art technology. It has 250 power zoom, which is amazing. There is another object that has been crossed the moon, and the resolution is impressive. Without using the tripod, it's quite difficult to make a stabilization of the moon. But I'm trying to do my best. Really is beautiful. It's exactly today full moon. My intention is to share these videos on Facebook and see what are the comments of the people. Another bird, I think so, crossing from the moon. There is another that crossed the moon very fast. And let's see what's happened more. As I mentioned to you before, see, this camera is amazing. For the price you pay, it's the best choice. You won't find any other product with the characteristics of this Nikon Coolpix Premier. It's really amazing, and I am very happy to use this camera. Okay, I'm going to make a close-up. Here we have around 150 power zoom, and it's quite difficult to stabilize the recording. Well, Now I am going to my Mac computer to download these videos, and after that check which objects are UFOs and which others are not. I open my Zoom slowly. And we finish this recording and check out what can I find. Beautiful moon, the best of the year in October. In this month is my birthday on 26. So I'm very happy for this. Okay, bye bye my friends.